Warm welcome to class. Today we are going to see an important topic. I say it's an important topic is because other than ferrous and non-ferrous materials, we are using a material which is known as plastics, and technically we are telling it as polymers. Okay, there are majorly two different types of polymers. One is thermosetting polymer, another is thermopolymer. We'll see about thermosetting polymer later. Now we are going to see about thermopolymers. The first thing we are going to see is thermopolymer is because this thermopolymer is used in many ways, in many applications which we are using day to day. Starting from the toothbrush to cell phones, or cell phone outer cases, pen, some of the parts in the automobiles, and other things what we are using for studying, and in many ways other than ferrous and non-ferrous minerals, we are using for plastics which is known as thermopolymers. So we will see one by one. So the first one is polypropylene (PP).
The thermopolymer polypropylene. Here we are using its property as its strength and stiffness should be, and it should have some high temperature efficiency. So it will withstand some high temperatures. So we use it in some containers and some packing agents. So it should withstand the heat, and it should be also stronger to withstand. And next, it's resistance towards heat distribution. Likewise, we are using it in some electrical appliances. The electrical appliances may get heat by working. In that time, the plastic should distort the heat. It should be outer, so that it has this property. And then electrical properties like emphatic strength. As we are using in some electrical appliances, it should meet some electrical properties. And it's chemical agent. Likewise, as I said previously, it's used in containers and packing. We use foods also in packing, so it should not get chemically some affected. And we'll see it is inexpensive. And we also know that polypropylene is the most low weighted plastic material. Let's see where we use it. We use in day-to-day life, we use plastic water bottles. The water bottle's cap is made up of polypropylene. And let's see the applications of polypropylene. It's used in automobile. As I have previously said, it withstands some strength and stiffness. As we use it in automobile, it should have some such strength to withstand some forces, and it's also weightless. So in some appliances, we need to reduce the weight of an automotive vehicles. So we can use this polypropylene. And it's also used in household appliances, used to make films, containers, and as I have said previously, in electrical appliances, packing, and some in industrial applications too, and some general purposes.
So, coming upon to polystyrene, it is one of the thermopolymers. Now we can see about the properties. It has the excellent moldability. It can, if we give one shape, it can mold it itself. Okay. And next, it is in good dimensional stability. It has very good dimension, so we can do anything. Okay. Next, coming on to the next point, it is good electrical heat and strain resistance. As Rajwal said, it should contain some electrical properties. Okay. Next,
to the point, polystyrene is commonly known as thermopol. So using thermopol, right, we are using it to store ice cubes, so that you can have a good heat resistance. It is used to store. It is highly used in packing of any home appliances. Say if you are buying any home appliances like fridge, washing machine, TV, for any packing purpose, you are using polystyrene, which is known as thermopol. So the thermopol should have a good mold stability, so that while packing, if we get any impact, so the packing should not get broken, right? So at that time, this polystyrene comes into the picture. Next.
so coming to next point, it is susceptible to ultraviolet rays. For next, coming to the application, as I said, it is known as thermopol. Okay, so it is used for packing. So I already said it should have some chemical properties to withstand that packing. Okay. Next, insulation. For insulation and food containers, you can see that in local shop they are using some food containers. Then next, coming to electronic casings like foam covers. So it is used for that mold stability. So coming upon to next point, toys. So it should contain some chemical properties. So because toys are used by kids, so if they consume it, it can do some changes. Okay. So next, coming up to next, it is used in pipings. Yes.
So today we are going to see about PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So the properties of the polyvinyl chloride: polymer is chemically stable and not toxic.